You'll make it, just hang on.
Move out of the way, Michael. Oh my god, I downed two.
He has a satchel. What? Satchel?
Be a good builder and not making any money off the game because it's terrible.
Your teammates lost the
I
fight.
played the Vix tournament.
Going back to the
Yeah, I killed. I was sniping me on the roof.
Rezzing over here. You guys can get the load out, but he's gonna kill me over here. It's a duo over there.
Yo, why would you?
Stop that bitch.
That dude's low.
They're on me. Taking fire. Cover fire.
It's literally one shot.
From long range.
You got this.
Downed him. I'm gonna need you. Can you
Who's
finish that
shooting
for
me?
or no?
From where, bro? Jesus Christ.
I got you. You got
That's
this.
where he's up top. Watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out. He's up there.
Can you come to me? Come to me, Michael.
He's up
Or
there.
whoever you are. Oh wow. I'm behind me.
He's
They're behind-
just-
Oh,
Disregard that.
I don't know what they have.
What is
but it's something
that?
good.
Hostiles in the area.
You're losing ground.
No, there's one more, there's one more, there's one more. What the heck is that kilo? There's like 100 mag on that.
Found an aid station.
I know he's behind us.
Shooting at me.
Bounty target
Yes.
is down.
Oh.
Well done.
Don't worry.
Was it a one shot?
Stop. Find medical. Here, found an aid station.
Oh, you could buy, Oh!
Another with the stopping power. He had stopping power.